Hi, hi everyone. So myself Rekha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. So today's topic is characteristics of a statistics in as data in the course Fundamental of Business Statistics. So everyone know what is meant by statistics. So statistics is the collection of data, and collected data is analyzed, and after that interpret. We have to interpret the data using the various measures such as measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion. So before that, we have to know some of the characteristics of statistics of data. The lines chart obtained by joining the successive middle points of the top or the rectangle in the histogram is known as a frequency polygon, and it can be represented in the form of an various diagram. So and some the pictorial representation, the data or the collected data can be represented in the form of diagrams like line chart, frequency polygon, histogram, by marking to the various x-axis and y-axis. The frequency is marked on the y-axis and based on the class interval. So this types of diagram help us to reveal the data, and the statistics have some of the characteristics that is nothing but, for example, the data we collected means it is not measurable, and we can feel the presence or absence of the characteristics. Statistics data can be obtained in such case by counting the number of individuals in different categories. For example, if you consider a population of a city means it is divided into three categories. For example, the basis of the complexion of the people, such as white, whitish, or black. So it's not. So we can say that it is not measurable. Statistics are aggregate of the facts. For example, if the statistics is collected in the form of a numerical figures, it cannot be regarded as a statistics, and the set of unconnected numerical figures cannot be termed as a statistics. It means an aggregate set of numerical figures are related to the one another, and for example, a number of cars sold in a particular year, it cannot be regarded as a statistics, and the number of cars sold in various years of last decade is statistics because it is aggregate to the related figures. And also the characteristics is related to the collection of data by counting the measurable of units. For example, the number of smokers in a village means while the height of the soldiers is measured and the area of investigation is large. So in that type, the statistics is collected by examining the fraction of the total area of the investigation. So this type help us to reveals that either enumerator or estimated with reasonable standard of accuracy. So not so statistics is always it is not accurate because, for example, I would say one example. If we judge that, for example, if we take one cricket player, he score 80 in one match, and another match he score 100 means you will our expectation is nothing but an 80 or 85 or 100. But sometimes due to some of the problem he is not able to do the match well. If he got an run as for example 50 or else 40 means that time the statistics reveals it's not an accurate one. So always the statistics is not accurate. Sometimes it will be a either enumerator or estimated value. And if you go for a pond means your expectation is nothing but if you enter into a pond, for example, it is depth is nothing but 2-3 feet means, then if you go inside it will be 5 feet mean your expectation may be 6 feet, but suddenly the depth will be increases as a 9 feet. So that times it is not accurate. So we can say that it is something is estimated value only, not an accurate value. So these type of statistics, data collection and estimation will be revealed. So these are the characteristics of statistics. As always, it is not an accurate and it will give an approximate value. So data can be analyzed through the various measures, by mean, median, mode, etc. So thank you for watching that.